Federal Government of Nigeria closes case against NNAMDI Kanu on alleged terrorism trial. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening my friend. Welcome to Global Info. Let's continue. The federal government has closed the alleged terrorism case against NNAMDI Kanu after the testimony of a DSS officer. The federal government Thursday closed its case in the ongoing terrorism trial of the leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi NNAMDI Kanu. Chief Adegboyega Owomolo, San, who is leading the prosecution team of the federal government, made the announcement after the fifth prosecution witness, PW5, identified as EE for security reasons, was discharged from the witness box after he was cross-examined by one of Kanu's lawyers on Ikpeazu, San. According to Owomolo, the prosecution was satisfied that from the avalanche of evidence tendered, including broadcast of activities of the leader of the pro-Biafra nation, the government had sufficiently satisfied the need to close its case. I therefore close the case, he said. Reacting, the lead defense counsel, Chief Kanu Agabai, informed the court that they would be opting for a no-case submission, which would be filed in due course. Earlier, in his evidence-in-chief, the fifth witness, who is an officer of the DSS at the headquarters in Abuja, said he was directed to lead a team of security officers to the southern region of the country to obtain records of activities that occurred between 2020 and 2021, relating to the End SARS protest. According to the witness, his assignment included obtaining records of public properties that were destroyed, and death certificates of security officers who died during the End SARS protests. EE was then shown 3 documents of the report of the End SARS assessments, the list of officers that died, and the death certificates of the officers. Following his confirmation, his lawyer sought to tender same in evidence. Ikpeazu, however, informed the court that the defense team would register their objection at the appropriate time, while the documents were subsequently admitted and marked as exhibits PWD2, PWD2A, and PWD2B respectively. A summary of the documents revealed that a total of 128 policemen, 37 army officers and 10 DSS agents were killed within the period. Similarly, a total of 164 police stations were destroyed, as well as 19 facilities of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, destroyed. Under cross-examination, EE admitted he was not involved in the investigation of the crimes allegedly committed by the defendant, but investigated the fallout of the End SARS protest which the defendant enabled through his broadcasts. When asked whether the entire End SARS protest was carried out because Kanu asked them to protest, the witness said he doesn't know, adding that he knows the defendant asked the people to attack security officials and destroy public property. Ikpeazu said, "So, when people destroyed properties in Osun and Lagos states during the End SARS protest, you are saying that